But the results no so can also back.
So Shandy dey obi John wan Shandy and no interest.
Atu. We ni pone for papa. Nyame obi tua wo ka o mai. Atu, you can run. But when I will hide it. Who hide it what Huh? If you say cause and infect. What it?
What is happening?
Cause and infect. You be beard when you turn. I'm saying wow. So what you brought what I am. When you brought to the ball to go, it's come back to you.
No, what is happening here?
It's come back to you.
Send my
Papa, you need pass. Master, we won't papa we won't.
Where by your beshi nipa? Open you say be won so. Etine ke share nanka wa mama dey na ekoso.
Headmaster, eti go be chin ho na me di na tem say no ntimi nsoso a. Eti say me more damn say. Me who obi na me di na tem.
Matter was but at least say my pacho anya bi asku mu anu seboko dey. Yes, please. Oh, are you looking for someone?
Oh, yeah. I am here looking for my able son.
Your son is in this school?
Yes, please.
Oh, relax.
Relax. Are you crazy?
Listen. Nyabotre.
Headmaster, and yes, sir, and to come Adam's papa. I want someone and then bring
Adam's papa. Okay, granted, what was it? But at the end of the day, we need to be ourselves. We have a trainer who is so good. Searchings.
Headmaster, I told you don't call me searchings, but you call me searchings.
I'm not going to make a searchings here. I'm not going to we are so sorry. We are very sorry. Seblacky, Iddi. Natural. Tell me some council my boy.
Said, we know what brought you here.
Well, this is a short statement that I want to make here. Actually, it's my brother-in-law, as you were saying, that is true. But first of all, let me congratulate you. You've done a very good thing. Because managing the defense of a school is not easy. The case of different characters and different backgrounds, you've done well.
Yeah, thank you.
And secondly, what brought me here, I learned my son has been arrested. Yes.
Do you know? No, I just want to get it clear. Could you please tell us who is your son? Aroma.
Yes. Aroma's father.
That's Aroma's father?
Yes, he's my son.
Oh.
I am here to know the causes of it, what brought those arrests.
Wow. Aroma's father?
Yes, please.
Aroma, the newly repented guy is relatives, the pastor. Oh, spare me that. Aroma, that's the father.
Iddi, you could even notice say things and then the man
yes, when you now move from one seconds. So I will tell you that
Settings.
Why you like headmaster.
Until you have problems, I'm also having problems. Then settings.
Nobody Aroma.
Yes, Aroma. Adams.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, pass me come any months, I drum.
Scanty. The castle me action. O papa kwasi yampanyi na wo wan show wo ne nam gragra na ne yehunu o papa no ba hu no
Papa.
eno a wo ba school mu ha eno a wo papa ba school mu ha aba office ahie nyina yete wo
Papa ba school mu
ha ba school mu ha
na kwa from am be at least me hu na nim come on say me papa ni yo music
na no hu na nim so wo papa ni na yes hu nti no ba ya na
no for school mu anya me nti me papa do papa be say me nti no boss
wo papa de ene wo bisa sempa
papa me wo so ho na wo papa
wo papa de na wo kae no e ho any ade am get interested o e ho sa e ho na pe e ho na me case
so me am nti no ba nti wo de
nti no ba ye wo nti no ba enye wo nti na papa ba ye wo papa wo no won kai no kra wo nim kra so wo wiase eye ne ba ya chi no school mu hanti na wo papa atutu ne nan asasa aka ayika boy from pabo ane da wo ba hairdresser na papa de ba on wo nso so papa ni nyam ni enye wo nti no ba ye o eye Aroma ni nti no ba
no from me papa what is saying
what is say
ka be no
na abetwa papa wa sisa ama ne niu nyina agu adro wi anim tiwi ni bia hia na abo so panja o to respect ana papa life why
on to be na onye skeni bi
jaja wo kana dia mpabo eso ne bonu don komi okuma sika jetia o papa o you useless or you loveless or you topless when you correct dia no makachiro
so fasisi am ni Aroma se me be ne de
jai sabu me mpesa papa ne kwa din kura me dwa papa no kura wono no be de sesai twufu ho wo fa wo bai hweye wote hweye ma bone kakra mra wutirim ni papa ma bone mra wutirim o ma papa bo timi e be ka so agimi de bia ye shege tini papa agodo e wiki do mafia no ndi trao Eko.
It's me and Aroma. Such a small world. Question penny we. Aroma Jimmy for we. If it is come be able to me and Jimmy for we.
In our common language, there's a saying say, no cry, any kuntubu, they are in one single room, common room. There's a whole come of where no kuntubu pia, it doesn't come back to the room. But who shall kuntubu na the great people, who pay the pain, the big people will go as. So I want you to tell me the truth. Aroma. As a crew, dear, we just usher it, catch him this year so that I know where to start from. Okay. Good.
And the truth is, I don't know where she is. I don't know where Britta is. I don't know where she is, Dad. They don't trust me.
They don't know where that level is. But do you know that you are the prime suspect here?
That's what I don't understand. Why should I be the prime suspect? Is it because she's my girlfriend?
You're hiding something. I'm your father. Tell me the truth. You're you having an affair with that girl?
Yeah. No, listen, it was...
No, yes, no, which is which?
Explain. The thing is, she was my girlfriend though, but there was nothing bad going on between us, and we were cool. Dad, trust me, I have nothing to do with her disappearance. You know me more, Dad.
Aroma, you're looking into my eyes now and telling me lies here and there, okay? You're telling me lies. And when you're with fiancé, whatever, I don't know when baby or at that particular day, where were you?
I was at the hostel, Dad. I came to see her in the morning and she wasn't even there. Before I arrived, they said she left in the morning or something like that. I didn't even get a chance to see her, to meet her. Dad, I'm sure. Trust me, Dad.
Alright. If you say so, I'll go by my words. I'll trust you. To be me, a farm, so that you come out. Okay? So don't panic.
I don't want to be in this time. I'm tired.
Yeah, that is the law. That is the law. Once you are a suspect, they have to keep you to such a time that the police investigation, they are okay with whatever they are doing. Till they marry and they may you go free. Okay?
Please hurry up, Dad.
Don't say I should hurry up.
I don't like this. Do you want to see me in this, Dad? I'm tired.
I'll see what I can do, okay?
Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I know the parties they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months.
I really need your help to take somebody out of the police station.
Papa. Oh, paddy, I didn't know would be here, dear food, one, Magaba. Oh, paddy, the almost said you see a place me at Tafre one of the men himself, Cocoda. Precious so Tafre one of my new Cocoda, the man. They say, dear partner, bet me. Meaning a chimney.
I just need your help, Sam.
What help?
I could have gone to any teacher, but I'm coming to you because I know of all the teachers, you are the one on top. If you go, the police people will have no other choice but to bring them out.
The teacher needs something for your side. What do you do?
But you know I'm taking you as my uncle or father. That will not be possible.
Jimmy said,
That's why I didn't say you're my father. I could have taken you as.
Don't ever take me like your uncle.
Sema, that's not why I'm here. Please, don't let us.
I can be your one of your toffee.
You okay? We'll talk about that later.
Do you know toffee?
I don't know that. Toffee. Lollipop. Nah.
Yeah, the tantama on. The what? The Jones of one of Crana. Woman, what church and what a moment kiss me. Jones, no one, what church and who could so good true, what a moment kiss me. Me, Mawa, shiny face night, that's the other time in the mouth. That's why no cray, no other coffee.
Sema is not Shazi. What is Shazi?
I don't say Shazi.
Then what?
I say sexy.
I know you are sexy.
You too much. Once I decide, I them few. Once I mean, I'm a prefer. Once I mean, pro. To super cornichon, what they say for a boo beach is a few crap at a tongue queen, bravo, with any answer. You hear so the blue about your woman kuna ko about answer. You go to be in the hopo we no yen the mobile cocoa be cocoa.
Semaye, understand. Semaye, we all know you are sexy. See your stomach flat. Everything is on point. See your cows. Everything is fine. We all know you are so. Yes, see. You open it. Tell me. Open. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, Semaye.
Jimmy Dodo. That Jimmy too much. Oh, I say, Kwango.
So I was saying that.
Me say, and I said, "Dear, I just knew." So, Tia, dear, so now. Hey, Coco, Pena. Who you? Madam, in your
You never get to.
Who say me? Who's at the star moon flow? Who's I mean, the men get too close to you, Mahu?
So let me finish. So I want you to help me build Opoku bills.
I can't do that.
You can do that.
Go to police station again?
Yes.
Me again to police station?
You are influential. When you go and say anything, they will just take him out.
I didn't see a police case at my money. That's sorry, I'm a bonfire. You musu a sign and a buy money. A sign. Naming police station.
So what if Scanty were to be the one there?
It's all about them.
Wouldn't you have gone for Scanty?
Say.
Wouldn't you have gone to bail Scanty out?
I saw him. He's my niece.
So I'm asking you to help me bail Opoku.
Opoku the enemy. I want to mean to me anymore. How say? How be how?
Here.
Now what's the man who sent me a teacher here now? Also be so. But I'm not be so soon. But why am I making why?
If you don't help me, I'll go to the headmaster and give him what he wants. Then I'll let him help me.
Now, Opa headmaster call me and focus the other snap of pass and key if you school. One can be young first. Now we know a day. Men I be men on your hay and let the be anywhere chance of my soap. Between me and you. The consummate shan tropa career kakraka party at all. So
you know how to lie
more than me.
You think you can lie more than me?
You? What do you need say any so?
Okay. So you will not help me?
No, I can't.
You will not help me.
Police station one amen ko. What do you mean ko?
Fuka kakani ko.
Me fu. No one and I just say no fast to go.
Tell me pay more. Diom.
Just know who diom. Who teach you chi? Who teach you? Just know who to make a diom ko. Mate, why?
Shall spell na ko.
Ati. Ana David. Nko.
Papi we na.
Bili de.
Fuka kakano munyini.
Wow. Why we school how? Obanyem na hu ni pa na nyem wo. Ubehu.
Enya wo.
It's not me plan mo kwa say me.
Even if I don't know the person, won't be you.
Me just say you look up my true me you be go app ni bi. Kokoko gu so no. Ba te ba ku se tie ni. Na say na me ha me ho be ma bobo dwa egu me so no. Who's an answer me?
Don't try cry.
Say me ko hook up no.
Ko hook up no.
Come on.
Waste two time one.
You go one first thing.
Baby. O ko na mama opportunity permanent na to so.
Sing again.
Ti say dey dikosia fo a short no sa.
Say na wutimi kan kusia. Of innocent. Wutimi kan na bi so ho fa na better o say da ho.
Dey kwai.
Why na ho fa no kwa aspiring date e bo ha no e bo ha. Na woni me wu a. You see. Anke po ba se onko gina yi so pa na president ni esikafo ahia na benante na easy. You see. Zomizo.
Yeniye
na. Onante refer no zomizo. Sana nante este. What is?
Na dey. Wo dey akọ police station wa ko boa o.
Na so ho fe. Ada na ho fe me ya ho fa me hwe.
Nkwa me ko.
Yeah. Na tuno so bo abo. Na achi akọ ha lo dey gaga. Yeah. Akura we pa binyano mafia no pa ni yi medu school mu akura am okay gbe jata maliko am the new brain fast cry na to head ayeko o ya kesi oba ohun asiasa me nkoja wo police station o they say we me ma me kura na so me ma o asiata
break away.
Because maybe I break our bar, no me boy.
What do you mean I break away? I'm not going to disappear from school.
We disappear. What is a coincidence? Oh, to me, name time matter again, it disappear. Oh,
catch up one. When you consensus, I said, yeah, probably I just a crowd. Britain so when you get the men in the plane shot, now you shot, and I can't. When you shot, and about when you have
did disappear message when they say, me, the name, and I must disappear. But no disappearing message in the minimum clock. We need the idea of the disappearing message. What disappear fish more just a little bit.
That's why we saw our goal.
They make us a crowd, they say, and then was right was so and again, there was this guy now, but for the non crab dresser, you are a pernicious prodigy. And this guy, pernicious prodigy. And the same people bonnie some wonderful because I did bargain one day. It's not meaning a nation. I'm written one day. Oh, one day I'll get my pen. Make it happen. Oh, make it so you just took sabbatical, and that's all, just coincidence. Now, who free money also you're right. Also, you're right. Let me get a I'm a fool. What did you want to play and call you? Compensate your I also I done. You are one prison for rabbit. You are one prison back, and then for you want to
because many of us are tossed. Opoku, I never want to waste time with now also.
How many
do the kind of crazy?
Ukraine na makacho. Ukraine na oh,
the Saudi Arabia,
the Scanty. Tell you what I'm a bit of. I know. Then I made the compensation that can be missed in the coming. And I said, what about the penetration from a bad? Yeah, that was the Mr. Lee. So, you don't have the children. How could I do that? Who don't want prison? About what to say? What are the children? What was the matter? Hey, many children. It's a private temple. They say, who mind the council, who mind the company. Tell the compressor. I know family, sir. Someone for the come on, tell the you want the dress, what kind of pay? I don't know. You are saying you know better. Why is he not saying the truth? What I say, I want to say, let the deal better say, I want to strike. You have a point, you have a point. Yeah. Oh, why are you mom? You can't go ahead. When people Opoku is super young. Go ahead, you. Opoku. Didn't tell you how you come out. I don't credit them with wow. I don't credit them. No credit me now, my catcher. Oh, still, you pay me a few of my hair. You're welcome, I can't do it. No credit me now. We use someone else from us today. We use someone else from us today. We use someone else. We are well. And all the sort of kind of break. No, and I still say, look, I'm saying, the sound is getting there. We saw they make all the other kind of higher. Me needs are out. Say, we need to out. No, credit doesn't mean this, but we are break out.
Ti dia pun dia bangun untuk keren mana mereka aja menamakan kurang berapa. Macam compensation view.
Yeah, me pen kwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brussels with me.
So why did you call me?
Oh, precious. You know why I called you, don't understand.
I know why you called me.
It's about this
Which old matter? Talk fast.
how can I talk fast? Like, you're not giving me the energy.
You see somebody is calling me. I'm supposed to go somewhere. Talk fast.
Precious, since when? I'm talking to you and you're telling me someone is calling you. Since when? So is that person more important than?
Oh, of course.
Hey.
Here's the saying. Why not? You're choosing everybody over me. So how can't I choose somebody over you?
Precious, I'm not choosing everybody over you and I'm not choosing anybody over you.
Then what are you doing? Talk. Say what you wanted to tell me so that I can just go. Any nonsense that you've planned to tell me,
Precious,
just tell
Precious.
me.
This is not nonsense.
Okay, so
this
tell
is
me.
not nonsense.
Tell me.
For you trying to break up with me, Precious, you know I can't. The first day I met you on this campus, I told you are the main reason why I came to this school.
Okay.
So if you break up with me, how do you want me to continue things?
Is that why you call me? I want to know, cause I don't know what you're. We've already had this conversation. So what are you talking about?
If I say yes, you might walk away because that's what you've been doing.
So
these
that's
days.
the reason you call me.
That's not the main.
So what's the
reason?
reason?
Precious, you know I love you. I love you.
You still have the guts to tell me you love me. Don't you have any shame? You're not shameful at all.
Precious, the two of us knows that I love you.
Who? I don't know anything, no. I don't know anything. And even if you love, I don't love you anymore. I cannot do this again, no. Me, I'm done. I don't know why we are still talking about this. I'm done, no. Me, in my head, I'm single. So don't be calling me like that.
What do you want me to do? Or how do you want my life to be in this campus?
You have 3 girls now, excluding me. So now you have 2. Maybe there are even other girls there. You have more than enough.
There are no other girls anywhere, just the 3 of you.
So take the 2. You have more than enough. Okay, take the 2.
Precious.
I can't.
Precious.
No, don't come closer. Don't come closer. You should know me better.
I shouldn't touch you.
You should know me better.
Precious.
You know. No. Hey, don't touch me. Come on. You be feeling me.
Precious, no, come on, mommy.
Try.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, try.
Precious.
Try.
You've grown wings, so. No, come on, mommy. What because of say my power show?
Are you done? I'm
not down until you change your mind. Until you change your mind. Precious.
Change my mind about what?
About your decision.
Which decision?
Precious, let's let it be like way back. Scanty and Precious on this campus.
Okay.
Please.
Alright.
I still love you, Precious, please.
Alright, sure.
Please.
Alright, sure. Don't touch me. What is that? You are done, right? So just leave. Don't even call the person to meet me here.
Oh, Precious, you're calling someone in front of me.
Oh, come on. Where is this?
Prayer.
See.
Precious.
Hello, baby. Hey, don't touch me.
Precious. Prayer.